Are you ready to take your web development skills to next level? Introducing Master HTML and CSS by creating Facebook website with pure CSS. In this immersive course, you will learn how to build Facebook website using only pure CSS3 and HTML5. Whether you are a beginner with no coding experience or an intermediate developer looking to enhance your skills, this course is designed to help you become a pro in HTML5 and CSS3. You will dive into core features of HTML5 and CSS3, advanced concepts such as Flexbox, and more. The whole web project based on Flexbox model. You will learn deeply about Flex properties and how to use them in a proper manner. By learning all of this, you will gain the ability to create visually stunning and responsive websites. Imagine having the confidence and expertise to build immersive websites from scratch. Enroll now and join us on this transformative learning journey. Get ready to unlock your full potential as a web developer. Master HTML and CSS skills by creating Facebook with pure CSS is your ticket to success. Don't miss this opportunity. Enroll now and start building your future in web development.